Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a three-way arbitrage on instant virtuals. That's on virtual on Sportybet. So if you are already into this virtual gaming and maybe you might not have been winning on this particular game, just know that this video is for you. Okay, so I'll be showing you how you can do instant virtual arbitrage and then you are going to make profit from it. So the first thing you have to do now is to get your Sportybet account. You fund your Sportybet account. After funding it, we are now going to be using this this technique right here. Immediately you just come into your instant virtuals and see the clubs that are to play. You come over to teams to score. If you come over to teams to score, you are going to see the one with the highest odd under the non section. That's non team to score. So the one with the highest is the one that you are going to be choosing. So if we scroll down, you are going to notice that this one 18, this one that is 18 right here is the highest. Okay, so you just click on this 18. So if you click on this 18 right here, the first thing to do is to click on bet builder right here. So if you click on bet builder, you click on home to win, and then you also click on over 1.5. Then you add to bet slip. All right, so after adding to bet slip, then you come back to this all right over here. You come back to the all and then click on draw and away, and after that you now place your bets. So the first thing now, another thing to do right here is to take note of these odds. Take note of these odds, then you head to your calculator, your arbitrage calculator, okay, or your Surebets calculator. So the first one is 1.85, 4.57 and 5.39. So I'll be going to my calculator right here. Okay, so we are going to be imputing the odds. The first one is 1.85, the second one is 4.57, and the last one is 5.39. 5.39. Okay, and then we are going to be using 2,000 naira to play the game. 2,000 naira, and I'll calculate. Okay, so you can see here that our profit will be 116 naira. So let me just go ahead to copy what I am supposed to play right here. The amount I'm supposed to use over here is 1,144. Over here is 463. Over here is 392 naira respectively. So I'll go back to the site, and after getting back to the site, I'll have to impute the amount 1,144. Okay, then the second one 463, that's 463. Okay, and then the last one 392. The last one will be 392. All right, so we proceed. Now let's see how it will go and what will be the outcome. Surely we are going to win, so let us just wait while it plays. So I'll also tell you why I'm rating it. Actually, I'm giving it 98 over 100. The game is already won. I'm going to tell you why I give it 98 over 100. I don't give it 100 over 100. So let them just play till it's finished. Then I'm going to give you the reason. Okay, so you can see we just won our bet. So this is how you are going to be doing it continually till you hit your target. So this is why I gave it 98. The bet builder right there that we just selected is going to, it's kind of gives the game you are going to give the home to win, but you cannot just give home win direct, because if you give home win direct, it's no more an abi due to the odds. So once you give it home win by 1.5, that's over 1.5, that means home can win with over 1.5. So this is the only way your game can cut. Once home plays 1-0, your game is going to cut. But it is also kind of hard for it to cut. Why is because you have already gone to team to score and you selected the highest odd, that's for none. That means there is high chances that the both teams are going to score much goals. Nevertheless, anything can still happen. You can still see a 1-0, a 1 win. And once it happens that the game ends 1-0 in favor of home, that means your game is going to cut. But if it is 1-0 in favor of away, your game is going to enter. So that is how you just keep doing it on and keep in. Just make sure you follow the steps as I showed in this video, and you are going to see it. Maybe, I don't know, we can still try it again. Let's try it again so that you can confirm for yourself that it is actually working. Okay, so let me go back to the team to score. If I go back to the team to score, I check for the highest percent or highest the highest odd. Okay, so this is Luton Tottenham. We click on Luton Tottenham. Okay, then we come over to bet builder, home, and over, okay, home over 1.5. all right, then we add it, then we come back to all and click on draw and away, and then we select, and then we check it again and do the same thing. 3.52 being the first here, the second 3.79, and the last one 2.40. okay, and then we go over to our calculator and check it again. 3.52, okay, 3.52, and we come right here, 3.79, 3.79, and we come to the last one, 2.40, 2.40. all right, and then how much are we using? You are using, okay, 115, 2115, so 2115, and we check. So this one is going to be giving us a profit of 77 naira, and then we write everything down here. The amount we have to use: 622, 578, and 913 naira. So you can just see it here. These are the amounts you are going to play for each of the game: home to win over 1.5, draw, and then away to win. So that is the ABD. Then we come back to this place and input those amounts. Okay, so 622, this one is 622. Then the second one is 578, and the last one is 913. Okay, and then we click and we go. Now let's wait while it loads, and then the game starts. I don't know, network is really disturbing, so let's just wait. Okay, kick off. Now let's watch the game while it plays. Okay, so let's just watch it. Okay, so the game has already entered, just as you can see it. Just as it stands, it has already entered. So let's just wait till everything plays and we continue the video. So if you loved this video, I will appreciate it a lot if you give this video a like. It's very important. And then subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't, and also turn on the notification. You can also join our social handle on Telegram if you want to be getting free tips and updates, and also free arbitrage games which we do post, so that you can play and make money. It doesn't matter how much you're having, even if you're having 5,000 naira and you want to start arbitrage, we are going to post free games there. You don't have to pay even a dime in order to start up with us. Okay, so this is just it about this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned by subscribing and stay blessed.